Hello everyone, welcome to PhD the Kitchen. In this episode, we invented this Canada Dry chicken wings. You may have heard of Coca-Cola Chicken Wings, but we decided to do something different and be creative. So we made this special chicken wings cooked with ginger ale. The ingredients are chicken wings, green onion, ginger, soy sauce, salt, 5 spice powder, Canada Dry, and dark soy sauce. Let's get started. The first step is to cut slices into the chicken wing skin, so it will be easier for the flavor to penetrate the meat. Then we can marinate the wings with salt for about 10 minutes. Now, let's add a little oil in the pan and fry the green onion and ginger first. And then add the chicken wings. We will keep stir frying until the color turns golden brown. Okay, let's add some 5 spice powder and soy sauce. Great! Now we can add 1 cup of water into the pan and half a can of Canada Dry. We can add a little dark soy sauce. Let's cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the end, there's only very little sauce remaining, and it becomes very thick. Looking great, right? Perfect! Hope you all like this special Canada Dry chicken wings. It is very delicious and the taste is quite different from the Coca-Cola chicken wings because this is a taste of Canada. Thank you for watching PhD the Kitchen. If you want to join us and if you have any suggestions, please feel free to email us. Leave your comment here at YouTube or on Facebook page. See you next time.